Activity 1. Sound discrimination. Move the pig to get the sound. Activity 2. Sound isolation.
Choose the correct sheep to complete the word. Floss. Choose the correct sheep to complete the word. Dress. Choose the correct sheep to complete the word. Moss.
Good job.
Activity 3. Blend and segment.
Choose the correct sound to blend a word.
Da. Da. Ra. Ra. Eh. Eh. S. S. Da. Ra. Eh. S. Dress. 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 La. La. Ah. S. S. La. Ah. S. Floss. 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 Eh. Eh. S. Eh. S. Mess. Mess. Mess.
Activity 4. Build the word. Drag the car to collect sounds and make the word
Kiss. Cup. It. S. Ka. It. S. Kiss. Kiss. Dress. Da. Ra. Eh. S. Da. Ra. Eh. S. Dress. Dress. Press. Pa. Ra. Eh. S. Pa. Ra. Eh. S. Press. Press.
Good job.
Activity 5. Word family. Drag the rhythm to the correct word. S. Bless. Is. Hiss. Is. Kiss. Os. Boss. Is. Bliss. S. Dress. Os. Moss. Os. Loss. S. Stress. Activity 6. Learn sight words.
Catch the chicken and put it in the right coop.
No. Said. You. Said. You. No. You. No. Said. You. No. Activity 7. Build sentences. Diamond seeker. Wow! There are many diamonds inside the stone. Choose the correct sentence to collect the diamonds. Pam was sad.
Pam puts on a dress. Pam's dress is a mess. Nat's dress is a mess. Pam's dress is a big mess. The hut is a big mess.
Activity 8. Read the story.
Pam's dress is a mess. Written by Sally Dixon. Illustrated by June Julie. Pam the pig is in a hut. The hut is a big mess. Pam puts on a dress. Pam puts on a mask. Pam runs in the sun. Pam trips on the jam. Pam sits in the jam.
My dress is a mess,
Says Pam.
but I am not a fusspot.
You are a mess.
Says Nat the cat. Pam runs in the sun. Pam trips on a rock. Pam sits in the mud.
My dress is a mess,
Says Pam.
but I am not a fusspot.
You are a mess.
Says Nat to Pam. Pam's dress is a mess, but Pam is not sad. Nat's dress is a mess,
You are a mess.
says Pam to Nat.
We are not fuss spots.
Says Nat.
We can jig.